Having trouble logging into your Tesla app? You're not alone. Common problems include incorrect passwords, 2FA issues, and account lockouts after too many failed attempts. As of December 2025, these issues often stem from app updates, security protocols, or simply forgetting your credentials. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and fixing these problems. If you have recently had an app update or security setting changed, it may have caused login issues. Let's start with the basics. Resetting your password. If you've forgotten it, use the Forgot Password link on the Tesla app or website at tesla.com. You'll need to verify your identity via email or phone. Make sure you create a strong password, at least 12 characters with special symbols, to avoid future problems. A strong password should include at least 8 characters, an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and a special character. Follow these tips. Use numbers, include special characters, avoid real words or phrases, prioritize length, and mix uppercase and lowercase letters. Tesla now requires password resets every 90 days for inactive accounts, enhancing security. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Tesla account, but it can sometimes cause login issues. Let's walk through the main troubleshooting steps. First, check that your device's time is correctly synchronized. Authenticator apps generate codes based on precise timing, so a mismatched clock can prevent 2FA from working. Go to your device's settings and ensure automatic time setting is enabled. Second, ensure you're using the correct authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator, and that it's properly linked to your Tesla account. Open the Tesla app, go to Account Settings, and verify the multi-factor authentication setup. Third, if problems continue, try unlinking your device from Tesla's multi-factor authentication settings and then relinking it. This can refresh the connection and resolve synchronization issues. Fourth, make sure you have backup recovery codes saved in a safe place. These one-time codes can be used to access your account if your 2FA isn't working. Download and store them securely when you set up 2FA. Finally, if you recently changed devices, this may have caused an issue with your 2FA. Make sure to deactivate the old device from your Tesla account settings and properly set up the new one. Following these troubleshooting steps should resolve most two-factor authentication issues with your Tesla app. If you continue to experience problems, reach out to Tesla support for further assistance. Too many failed login attempts can trigger an account lockout. Typically, you'll be locked out for 1 to 24 hours. This happens when you enter incorrect credentials multiple times in a row. If this happens, wait it out or contact Tesla support with your account details, such as your vehicle identification number, VIN. Your vehicle identification number, or VIN, is a unique code for your Tesla vehicle that you can find on the driver's side dashboard or door jamb. To prevent lockouts, enable biometric login if available, and double-check your password before each attempt. Make sure no one else is trying to log into your account. Sometimes simple fixes aren't enough. If you're still struggling with Tesla app login issues, try clearing the Tesla app's cache in your phone's settings. This can resolve conflicts caused by old data. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the app. This ensures you have the latest version with all the necessary updates and bug fixes. Note that in Q3 2024, Tesla rolled out app version 4.22 Plus to address login glitches with enhanced back-end authentication servers. Prevention is better than cure when it comes to Tesla app security. Start by using a password manager to generate and store strong, unique passwords for each account. This tool can create complex passwords and keep them secure, reducing the risk of login issues from weak credentials. Next, regularly update your recovery email and phone number in your Tesla account settings. This ensures you can always access your account if you forget your password or need to verify your identity during security checks. Check these settings at least once every few months. Be cautious of phishing attempts, which are a common way accounts get compromised. Always verify URLs before clicking links, especially in emails claiming to be from Tesla. Never share your login credentials with anyone and report suspicious messages to Tesla support immediately. While Tesla uses secure methods to store passwords and doesn't keep them in plain text, phishing attacks can still trick you into revealing your credentials. Always create strong passwords with a mix of characters and use the tools we've discussed to stay protected. Tesla is constantly evolving its security measures to stay ahead of emerging threats. Expect a shift towards more secure authentication methods like passkeys, reducing the risks of SMS-based 2FA exploits. Passkeys use device-based cryptographic keys for stronger protection. AI-driven support is also on the rise, with chatbots resolving a majority of login issues. These intelligent assistants provide instant help for common problems. By 2027, biometric and AI-powered authentication, such as voice recognition, may become standard. This technology integrates seamlessly with your Tesla vehicle for enhanced security. Also be aware of the rise of multi-factor authentication complexity, as this changes some login steps. Always keep your app updated to adapt to new protocols. To stay ahead, regularly update your Tesla app and contact information. This ensures you can take advantage of the latest security features as they become available. In October 2024, a global outage left many Tesla owners stranded. Clearing the app cache helped some, while others needed manual support. One user resolved a 2FA loop by contacting Tesla support with their VIN. Another was targeted by a phishing email, leading to a compromised account. These cases highlight the importance of secure backups, user education, and staying vigilant against scams. If you believe your account has been hacked, contact Tesla support immediately.